So hello everyone, in this video we'll be understanding about pseudo elements. So let's understand that. Just like pseudo classes we use single colon in that. Similarly we have pseudo elements in which we use double colons. So for example, if I have this paragraph and I have some content inside that, and let me just repeat this content again. And if I see that in browser, I can see that. So the first pseudo element that I want to discuss is the first line. What this does is it actually styles the first line. So I can change the paragraph's first line. Let's say I want a red color in the first line of a paragraph. So I'll be using first line property. So you can see that it is having the red color. So this is basically used on this. Similarly, we can use on any class we want. So we can use it on h1, we can use it on a p tag, we can use it on anywhere we want. So basically I'll be using it for a p tag. I can also increase the first line font size, let's say 20 pixel. You can see the first line is bigger than the others. So this will only work on the first line. Similarly, other pseudo element we have is the first letter. That this only applies the things on the first letter of a paragraph or anywhere we want. So let's say I want the first letter to be bigger in size, so I can write font size and I can give the size here and I can change the color I want. Let's say blue, not the black one, it's blue. So you can see that the first letter is having the blue color. Similarly, we have the other pseudo class which is before. This pseudo class applies something before an element. So for example, if I want something before this paragraph, let's say an image or anything, so I can do that. Or I can also add that on this heading 1. Let's add that in heading 1 because we have styled on paragraph, a lot of styling is there. So I can write content property here. Inside content I can write anything. Let's say I want a dollar symbol. So a dollar symbol will be before that paragraph or this heading in my case. So you can add this content any way you want, like anything you want in here. Similarly, you can add any image. Let's say I'm adding this logo. So it is very big, so the size should be smaller, I think. So it is added before this paragraph. So I think dollar is fine for now. Similarly, we have the after pseudo element. I can add something after the paragraph is finished or after this heading 1 is finished. Let's say I'm adding a pound symbol here. Now you can see that a pound symbol is before this paragraph or this heading, sorry. So this is the heading, that's why. Similarly, we have something for list items as well. For example, we have this ULLI, and in the LI, let's say I'm having this LI here and I'm having home, or let's say mango. I can copy the same thing, mango, apple, let's say banana, and same for the OL as well. So it can also have an OL. So you know that all these bullets are having the default styling. So if you want a different color for all the bullets, so you can do that by using marker pseudo element. So you can use marker here and you can style that. So you can write color property. Let's say I want it to be uh, a red, so I can do that. I can increase the font size, so you can see it is now styled. So this is basically what we do with this marker property. If I do it for OL, it won't work because this marker applies to all the bullets in a page. So you have to use it like this without any tag name specified. Last but not the least, we have the selection for a paragraph. Let's say I want a paragraph to be, so let me just give you the example. So when we select any paragraph, this blue background color and the text color appears, and the white color is text and the background is blue. But if I want a different styling for selection, so I can use the selection pseudo element here. Inside that I can specify, let's say I want a color black and the background is red, let's say. Now you can see that it is having a different background color and a text color. So the selection color is changed from blue. If I select this, you can see the blue background color is there and the text color is white. But if I select here where I have specified the selection pseudo element, it is having the background color red and the text color is black. You can give any styling you want here. It's up to you. So these were some pseudo elements I told you about. I hope you got something. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.